All right. Prizm, triple box. I'm also starting to lose it a little bit.
Yeah.
Prizm Hobby triple box. These were auctions, so you probably remembered who you bought, but there are the teams.
J&G.
What's up, J&G? We started about 11, I think, right?
Yeah.
So it hasn't been like an extremely long day, but longer than we're used to lately.
Oh yeah, Easter is Sunday. Right? Wow, look at that blizzard like you were saying.
Yeah. And then watch, I was
Yeah.
going to say if they played the whole highlights, it was like sunny out like 2 innings later. Silver, Gary Harris, Trez, the Dame 2012 insert, and an Obi Toppin rookie. Golgari got the Knicks, the Obi Toppin. Silver, Dumbuya, second year. Jake Layman, Hyper. Nesmith, rookie. Jeez. Topping in quickly. Back-to-back packs. Golgari.
Big weekend. Premier League back.
Oh, yeah.
Easter Sunday.
Korkmaz. Ooh, that got me excited. I saw the team logo. Jamias Ramsey, rookie signature. Sports Bros. Isaiah Stewart, rookie. Vernon Carey.
Next word the team. What does that mean?
We got Knicks rookies in the first 2 packs. The team to buy in this one.
Oh, calling it after the first 2 packs.
Orange Lonnie Walker. Jeez. Another Kings autograph. Justin James. Sensational signatures. Sports Bros.
I don't think Justin James has been on the Kings for the entire season.
Precious rookie.
Didn't they trade him or cut him? Or maybe he is in D League. Maybe I'm thinking somebody else. G League or whatever.
Devin Booker, Ruby Wave, Malachi Flynn, Hyper. Denny. Tim, nice Denny rookie.
Wait, when's your birthday, Harp?
Bagley, Markkanen. Oh, we got a lot of time left, Mikey. Who'd you pick up? Clips. Oh, you're looking for a Turu. My Gopher brethren. Curry Silver.
That's a weird sentence.
Gopher brethren. There's Pokasevsky. Harp.
On Twitter. The 10th. Oh. Well, mine is on Monday. Haha. I don't have to do any breaks or anything.
Oh, man. Look at this thing. That's a Zion Silver 2012.
Whoa.
I love that card. Lawrence. Your pals.
That is really cool.
Zeke rookie. Woodard. Big Cheese has the Nuggets for the Zeke rookie. Ibaka silver. Whiteside hyper. There's an Aturu rookie. Nico Mannion.
Yeah, Tim lost it. He's been doing that for the last 20 minutes. We don't know what happened to him.
Patrick Williams, silver rookie. Number 4 overall pick, MW Clot. Tobias Harris for the Sixers to 125. Brant Riller, Nick Richards.
Wait, when's WrestleMania? Next weekend?
Oh, yeah, that's coming out.
Which Prizm break?
Dort Ruby Wave.
This is the auctions that just ended? There's only one Prizm break today.
Collins to 299. Trey Jones, rookie.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, how about that thing, K-Nasty? I mentioned the Dort. I know who has the Thunder. There's a nice Ja Ruby Wave. Lillard to 175. Cassius Winston rookie.
Pretty good.
Is that the correct number of packs? Yeah. Silver, Austin Rivers. Downtown, Jamal Murray, silver. Nesmith, rookie. Quickly, rookie again. Tatum, Ruby Wave. Ooh, Jaden McDaniels. Orange rookie. Again, the team color got me. To 49. Sports Bros. Another Lillard 2012.
Quickly is like...
Yeah, very bowed. Not to the point of it causing any issue to the card or anything. I actually didn't harp. I started it last night, but I started too late. I have to finish it up tonight.
I watched the first 45 minutes to try to be cool.
Azubuike.
Yep, all the breaks should be on Twitch. We started at 11. There's like 10 breaks. Wait, can I tell Edit what I was asking you, or will it annoy you?
I don't care. I basically know how the movie's gonna end anyway. Just by the...
No, I'm not. It's not. I don't know any spoilers. I don't want to know any spoilers. What do you mean you know how the movie's gonna end?
Yeah.
No, I'm about the part with the car. You know.
Oh,
you already answered it. I just.
Well, wait for this pack at least.
Yeah.
Bam Purple. Purple Ice to 175. Isaiah Stewart. Silver rookie signatures. Kenny. Wow, these are really curved. Killian Hayes rookie.
What? Really? Okay, KK?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I have a silver somewhere.
Really?
It's raw. But
what's he doing?
I just heard his name. What's a raw silver selling for, JNG? Should I get that up immediately?
That's weird. I look at stats like every night. I don't notice him doing anything.
Oh, nice one. Denny. Purple. Tim. /99.
Wow.
Oh, 99 of 99, Denny. It's not, not an autograph.
Oh, yeah.
Zach Collins signatures for Portland. Buddha.
Yeah, Denny to 99.
That's good, Denny, yeah.
That's good Denny right there. It's so weird. I didn't notice him in the stat sheets.
Well, they traded like everybody, so I think he's getting minutes now.
Yeah.
Or something.
God. Barely get that Killian Hayes in the top order.
Hayward, Blue Ice, Tim Hardaway Jr. /125. Denny base rookie. Kind of similar rookies in these two boxes.
Mm-hmm.
Might have to get out from under that. Oh, honey.
Is that what they're pumping this week?
Silver, Russell Westbrook. Troy Brown, James Harden, 2012. Precious rookie.
It's like the two Spider-Men pointing at each other meme. You know he got that from the Sports Card Investor app. You must have it. Oh, is that the guy's name?
Van Vliet. Simons. Kawhi, 2012. Insert.
Man, I can't wait to get back on the track.
Oh, yeah.
Game is so fun.
Back in the saddle.
Logging some serious wheel time lately.
Silver, Julius Randle. Aaron Nesmith, hyper rookie. Bang, man, these are. They're fine. They're not like creased or anything, but. Last pack of box 2. Silver, wow. Silver Denny. It's all Denny.
Dang.
Marcus Morris /199. Cole Anthony rookie.
Jeez.
Yeah.
How does that even happen?
I don't know.
The rest of the day, it's 5 o'clock. Shouldn't they be done? I'm gonna go home. Yeah, I just put him in a top loader. Leave him top loader forever.
Saban Lee rookie. Zion second year. Are those? Yeah. Porter silver.
Probably.
Dinwiddie. Luka 2012. That's cool. Tyrese Maxey. Silver, Zach Collins. DJ Augustine, LeBron Fireworks.
Dang. Yeah, Swami, I have no idea what that would be like.
Rudy Gobert, blue.
Yeah, they will.
$199. Another Robert Horry, silver auto. 7 Costanza. Luka. Xavier Tillman, Peyton Pritchard rookie.
Ugh.
Unbelievable. House and a Denny silver rookie autograph.
Jeez.
Crazy.
Danny Grand Slam. Pretty good.
Hyper Hunter, Julius Randle, Ruby Wave, Kyrie 2012.
Wait, did Tim get the Wizards?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez, of course. Very good, Tim.
Got him for a song, too, if you ask me. Kyra Lewis Jr.
Yeah, I think the Denny hype hasn't been as
high
as it was early in the season.
Jay Crowder to $2.99.
We've only had 1, 2 rookie color parallels. Weird. Need some top rookies.
Yeah. There's an Obi Toppin Ruby Wave. The other team we've gotten stuff for the Knicks. Mm-hmm. LeBron widescreen. Oh, did I go past an RJ Hampton? Yeah, RJ Hampton rookie too. Big Cheese. There's a Wiseman rookie. T-Wizzle. Penny Hardaway. Dirk Fearless Silver. Okongwu rookie. Avery Bradley silver.
I know, I was wrong on the first game. Usually takes a little bit longer for me to be dead wrong about something.
Ellaby rookie. Giannis base. There's a Precious silver rookie. That's not bad. Golick.
With the love and support that Swabby gets at home through home-cooked meals and desserts, he'll be fine. My precious. You know, I saw the Lord of the Rings trilogy on when I was looking for Pong, and I was like, I started watching that.
It's good.
Yeah.
Sadiq Bey.
I like it.
Okoro rookies. Butler. There's an Okongwu to 175. MH Show, your Hawks for that one.
Silvers look awesome this year. I don't know what it is. Like,
yeah, that one looks really good with the color and the the like red and yellow in the back.
It looks really good.
Bane, Mays rookies. Man, Obi Toppin Hyper. Derrick Rose to $2.99. That's weird that we had the box with an Obi Toppin Hyper and Ruby Wave in the same box, and the Denny Purple and Silver were in the same box.
Yeah. That was a hard one to keep up on.
Yeah, it is. Autographs. Isaiah Stewart, silver rookie. Denny, silver rookie. Ori, silver. Collins, James, and Ramsey, rookie. Is this just the rookie color and stuff?
Yeah.
Denny, purple. Okongwu, purple ice. McDaniels, orange. Obi Toppin, Hyper and Ruby Wave. Flynn, Hyper, and the Precious, silver.
Oh, I missed that.
And the Denny silver.
And that. Jeez, my pile's all mixed up.
Nesmith Hyper. Patrick Williams.
Sorry.
Silver.
I missed it.
Well, if we're going by the picks of the draft, we had number 4. Denny was like 8 or 9, and
yeah,
the other silver I just said was also a good one. This Zion Silver 2012. I love the look of that card. Wiseman, Quickly, Bay, Coro, Kongwu. Precious, another Quickly, Obi, Precious, Zeke. Some vet color. Lonnie Walker. Bam. Tatum Ruby Wave. Ja Ruby Wave. Dame to 175. The 2012 inserts. Kawhi, Harden, Lillard, Luka. Zion second year and a couple, or there's a LeBron widescreen. The Ja Fearless. Yeah, that Zion is awesome. I love that card.
Mm-hmm.
Well, all right, folks. Thanks for hanging out on opening day. I don't think we're going to be around tomorrow.
No.
But Jules will be on Saturday. We'll be back Wednesday.